So hello students. So in this video, let's discuss 2 marks questions of model paper 2022. So there are some questions. 8 questions are there. So first question is fall of Constantinople. Fall of Constantinople led to discovery of new sea route to India. Justify. This is the question. So answer is because of fall of Constantinople, it closed trade route between India and Europe. Trade routes came under the control of Turks. So Turks started levying heavy taxes on goods which passed through, created demand for Indian spices because what the trade closed between India and Europe. Due to fall of Constantinople, it encouraged courageous sailors to find new sea routes, and some scientific inventions also led to discovery of new sea route to India. How was Junagadh merged in Indian Union? Nawab was planning to join Pakistan. People of Junagadh revolted against Nawab because people wanted to remain with the Indian Union. Because of the people's revolt, king ran away. The government maintained law and order. At last, in 1949, Junagadh joined to Indian Federation. Next question is 19th. What are the aims of Indian foreign policy? National security, enriching national economy, spreading cultural richness of our country in foreign, increasing number of friendly countries. World peace and coexistence is the aim of Indian foreign policy. One more alternative question is there. What are the problems emerged after the World War II? Denial of human rights, armed race, economic inequality, apartheid, and terrorism. These are the very new problems which emerged after 1945. I mean, World War II. Next one is why Narmada Bachao Andolana started. Why this Andolana started? I mean, by Meda Patkar. Because huge dam built across Narmada River, so that Andolana started. And the huge dam displaced local tribal people, so that started. So, according to the scientific study, which reveal a new report that affect, I mean, the construction of dam affect sensitive ecological balance of the river, main cause. And people hesitated against dam under the leadership of Meda Patkar, the social activist. One more question is there, alternative question, that is differentiate between division of economic labor and social labor. Usually differentiate between organized labors and unorganized labors. Usually the question appear, but this is the very different question. Economic labor and social labor. Economic labor goes with technical and people's cooperation, but social labor goes with social control through class, status, and stratification. Only 2 points can be awarded 2 marks. Peninsular Plateau. One more question. Peninsular Plateau play a very important role in economic development of the country. How? Plateau has rich minerals. It is the birthplace of many rivers. and ideal for cultivation of cotton and many other crops. This plateau has a thick forest, rich biodiversity, suitable for hydroelectricity. I mean generation of hydroelectricity, so that the Peninsula Plateau it plays a very important role in economic development of the country. List out the cases. Sorry, cases not. It is the cause. List out the causes for the destruction of forest due to animal grazing, forest fire, mining. Very simple answer. Urbanization, irrigation, and expansion of agriculture. Due to these reasons, our forest has been destructing. Forest fire, mining, urbanization, grazing, and agriculture expansion. Next question is national income is not suitable for, suitable to measure economic development of the country. Why? One more question also can be appear here. Per capita income is not suitable to measure the economic development of the country. Why? One more question is there. That is different answer. So, but here the answer is due to rise in national income rises the development. Okay. Fall in national income, the development is stunted, which means stopped. Economic progress in a country will be slower where there is population increase along with national income. Sometimes what happen? The population increases along with the national income, so that the progress of the country will be slower, so that national income is also not the suitable indicator or a suitable parameter to measure the economic development. Next one is what are the main objectives of Consumer Protection Act 1986 from Consumer Protection and last lesson is that 1986. So what are the objectives we have to write? So main objectives are safety and quality. Main importance given to safety and quality of the goods and the safety of the consumers. And sale of dangerous goods is avoided and prevented trade malpractices and smuggling and many more things and very strict supervision of quality of the goods, weight of the goods, and measures of the goods and price of the goods supervision, and creating awareness to the consumers through consumer education. So all these main objectives of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. So these are all very questions from 2 marks section. Thank you.